Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Paxful. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Paxful application on your device and click through the next buttons. And now you will see the Create Account button. Just tap on this option and you will be allowed to create your new account. Type in your email address that you wish to use and then enter your preferred password. You can also type in your referral code if you have one by tapping on I have a referral code. After tapping on Create Account, you will be asked to verify your identity. Proceed forward with the verification process, and now you will be asked to verify your email by entering the verification code that has been sent to the email address that you just entered. After entering this code, you will be asked to enter your phone number. Choose your country code and then enter your phone number and then click on the Save option. You will then be asked to enter the code that has been sent to your phone as well. So check your phone SMS and you will find this code as well. Once you enter this code, you will be asked to set up a PIN for your account as well. Type in your desired PIN and then type it in once again for confirmation. And now you can tap on the Let's Start button to start using your account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Paxful. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.